we are now given a log equation, which just says log base b of 8 equals x, and told that b and x are integers. So which of the following could be the value of b? Well, that seems a little weird at first. It seems like we have two variables in one equation, but there are some constraints that are going to help us figure this out. And what I want to do is rewrite this log equation as an exponential equation. Okay, so I'm going to say log base b of 8 equals x. What is that as an exponential equation? Well, that's just b to the x equals 8. This is how log equations get rewritten as exponential equations. It's what a logarithm means. Okay, so I just translated that into something we are more familiar with. Now, b to the x power equals 8. Well, it's still two variables in one equation, but the clue here is that these are integers. Okay, that matters quite a bit because there's only so many integers where if you raise something to something to power, it equals 8. So we just think this through. What are integers? Integers are things like, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I suppose we've got negatives also. We could do 0, -1, -2, etc. Right? All these things are integers. They're just the nice whole numbers. So try this out. First of all, if you try, well, let's see, which of the following? You know what? It's easier to just explain this by doing an example. Which of these could be a value of b? Let's try this one. Okay, 2 to the x equals 8. Yeah, that works. X equals 3. Okay, how about 8 to the x equals 8? Does that work? Yeah, well, x is 1 in that case. In this case, both x and b are integers. Okay, well, let's try another one. How about 4? Let's try 4 to the x equals 8. Well, here's a problem. 4 to what power equals 8? If you try 4 to the 1th power, that's just 4. 4 to the 2th power, that's 16. So that's not going to work. Okay, that one's no good. In fact, everything with a 4 in it is not going to work. And if you look at our list now, we've got 2 and 8 as options. Both of them have to be true. So what we're left with is just that very first one I circled. 2 and 8 are both options. So this is a very much guess and check style problem. It does help to know how to rewrite a logarithm in exponential form.